Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to message on TikTok Lite. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open TikTok Lite application, then get logged into your account. Firstly, you need to tap on the inbox icon. Tap on it. Here you can see the paper plane icon on top right corner. Tap on it. Now to send a message, you can tap on the plus icon on top right corner, or you can go with the conversation that you have had with your friends. For now, I am going to tap on the plus icon. Now you select the people or you select the friends that you want to send message to. I'm going with the first one. Here you tap on send a message, then you go in for writing a message. After you're done, you need to tap on the red paper plane icon. Tap on it. As you can see, the message has been sent. This is the first option to how you can send a message to your friends. To let you know, there is also another way to send a message to your friends. What you need to do is, you need to slide this video to the left. Here you can see the profile of the particular person or particular friends. Now you can see the option of message. You tap on it. You tap on send a message and go in for writing the message that you want to send. After you're done, you tap on the red paper plane icon. You can see the message has been sent. By this way also, you can send a message to the friends or particular person. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to send message on TikTok Lite. Thank you.